Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So, after years of anticipation, Grand Theft Auto 6 GTA 6 is finally available for pre order, and its pricing is a major topic of discussion. So, if you want to go ahead and pre order GTA 6, you need to go to rockstargames.com first, and in the homepage, you will see the GTA 6 pre order now. Go ahead and click on Learn More, and this will take you to a new page. Then click on Pre order Now and choose your edition, either Ultimate Edition or Standard Edition. Select one that you want to pre-order and select pre-order now, and then select either your PS5 or Xbox Series. And you can see that the GTA 6 is for $79.99 and the Ultimate Edition is for $99.99. I believe this pricing is reasonable. While some may find this figures high, many major games, especially their Ultimate Editions, often exceed their standard pricing, given that this is GTA 6, so agreeably the most anticipated game release in the recent history. So these prices don't really seem excessive. This could, however, set a new precedent in the gaming industry, potentially leading to more expensive titles in the future. So if you go for Ultimate Edition, it offers exclusive outfits, hairstyles, tattoos for Jason and Lucia, extra vehicles, safe house bonuses, car collections, weapon variants, Vice City cosmetic packs, and 1 month of GTA Plus. And GTA 6 pre-orders are available on PlayStation Store, Xbox Store, and through major retailers. So if you want to pre-order, you can select any one. I'm going to go for Ultimate Edition. So let's choose Ultimate Edition to see more options, and then select pre-order, highlighted in green color with $99.99. Then after, choose your payment method, either your Visa, debit, or credit card, PayPal, MasterCard, American Express card, Venmo. Click on Get Started, add a way to pay. If you already have added a payment method, you can go ahead and select any one. You can also redeem a gift card if you have one, or any e-wallet. Choose one and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your payment method and go through the payment process, and you'll be done. And after pre-ordering GTA 6, the game should appear in your game library on the platform or the store where you purchased it. For digital pre-orders, in the PlayStation 5 or PlayStation Store, navigate to the game library and then your collection, and you'll see Grand Theft Auto 6 listed with a countdown timer until its release. And on Xbox Series or Microsoft Store, you can go to My Games and Apps and then go to Full Library and finally Owned Games. And for physical pre-orders like box or code version, the game may not appear immediately in your digital library unless the retailer provides a download code in advance. Most physical copies typically include a download code inside the box. So around November 12, digital preloads are expected to become available, and on November 19, 2026, this is release date. The game will unlock and become playable. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.